What's up, everyone? Chris here with Brewers Handcrafted Woodworks, back again with another episode video. This week I'm going to be showing you how I made this here hat rack for my son. He's had a bunch of hats that's just been kind of stacked on top of each other. I saw this design, saw someone make it on YouTube, figured I'd go ahead and try to make it, get the hats to where he can see what he has, and I'll probably be making one for myself. So stick around, stay tuned, and watch me build this hat rack. Thanks for watching.
switchblade knives. Run or fight, no room to think. Blood on pavement paints the ink. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Steel and flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. 88 miles and pedal down. Rules don't matter, claim the crown. Risk it all beneath street lights. King of shadows, born to fight. Smoke and mirrors, life's a chase. Flickering sights through time and space. No escape, the game won't stall. Burn it hard or lose it all. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Steel and flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. Backing out, gang ties deep without a doubt. Every scar's a point of pride. Violence paints the story's tide. Deep without a doubt. Every scar's a point of pride. Violence paints the story's tide. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Steel and flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. No retreat, no backing out. Gang ties deep without a doubt. Every scar's a point of pride. Violence paints the story's tide.
guys, so here we have it, this hat rack. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Take some of these hats off. I made a double tier here because he had quite a few hats, so I figured make a double tier so he'd have plenty of room. He's got spaces for 2 more hats. Real simple to use. You just fold it back like you'd find at the store. Slide her in the slot, and she's there. So I think this is a pretty neat idea. It looks pretty cool. The world is the limit as far as like making different tiers, making them taller, shorter, however you want to make them. I probably will next time I make one. So these I put at a 45, my angles. Probably will not make them so sharp because some of the hats kind of tilt up, but for now this is great. I think he's really going to enjoy it and gets his hats out of the way and displays them so he can see better what he has. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy these videos. Check back next week with a new video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys.